Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Stock Movers, it's a podcast. John Tucker in for Lisa Mateo. And I didn't know this company, Performance Food Group, Richmond, Virginia. Good morning, Scott McPherson in all. And I guess they just create food. They're in the news.
If you drive to work in the middle of the night, you'll know these companies because you see their trucks making deliveries.
All over the place.
All over the place.
Yeah.
Making
Parked.
deliveries,
Yeah.
Blocking the roads that I have to go around.
Come on, be nice.
Performance Food Group attracting takeover interest from US Foods Holding Corporation. This is a deal, I mean, if it came together, food distribution company with a combined sales of roughly $100 billion. This, according to our sources, US Foods is based in Rosemont, Illinois. They've been evaluating an acquisition of Performance Food. They expressed interest about a potential combination in recent months. By the way, shares of US Foods have risen more than 50% over the past 12 months.
They're moving food around in trucks. You're dead on, John. And the EBITDA down the income statement, are you ready? Is 3 cents on the dollar. It's like worse than Walmart. It's teens weens profit margins.
Well, you know, there's some there. Any deal, of course, would face regulatory scrutiny. It was Cisco back in 2015. They tried to take over US Foods, but that was blocked by a judge.
Bloomberg way. You have to say Cisco, S-Y-S-C-O.
I said with an S, didn't I?
Yeah, but not with Cisco, C-I-S.
Like the rapper?
Just stock move.
Cisco Kid.
When does Lisa get back? Let's go to the next stop, John.
All right. Did you see this performance in front of the Pentagon yesterday? It was on Fox News. Where else? Pete Hegseth, formerly of Fox.
Now Secretary of
Defense. Standing out there doing like a presentation. All these drones are flying over him. One of the drones comes down with a piece of paper and he takes it. Anyway, he's going to try to ramp up production and deployment of drones. A lot of spending on drones by the Pentagon. At least that's the proposal anyway. So as a result, the shares of drone makers, they got a pop after this appearance on Fox yesterday.
This is a huge deal.
Well, taking away the red tape.
Have you big take this? Have you done a big take?
We have done some on drones, but not on this. I
know that Peter Thiel is a big drone investor. I don't know if any of the companies in which he invests are public, but he's totally on board with this in terms of defense.
I mean, I get the Houthis in a serious boat accident this year, but to be direct about it, can I get a drone to get from the great K&D Wine and Spirits on Madison Avenue and bring that puppy over to the house?
Up to your penthouse deck. Maybe.
It might be intercepted.
We're getting there.
I think we could get a drone.
It might be intercepted.
A drone from K&D. Mrs. Keenel.
There's a strong possibility.
Mrs. Keenel
be shot down.
Mossberg 12 gauge out. Next.
Warner Brothers Discovery, of course, they own a studio, and they are trying to save the studio. This looks like a job for Superman.
Okay.
This is from the Journal's version.
Big movie, yeah.
It's a bird. It's a plane. Better be a hit movie. For the past quarter century, one Warner Brothers executive after another has promised they'd finally make the DC Comics brand soar a part of their studio. So far, none has succeeded. Each of the strategies became mired in corporate politics. A lot of egos. That's a shocker. Warner Brothers is now trying to start over again. Superman reboot, opening this week, marks the unveiling of a plan that executives and fans agree is the studio's last best hope to revitalize DC Comics.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.